Hello my little warriors, welcome back to the next video. We will see question number 11, and the question number 11 is state whether the following are true or false. Okay, we have to say whether the following are true or false. The first question is the value of tan A is always less than 1. What is the answer for this? Just think and say. The answer will be false. Okay, why false? Because if you see tan A or tan theta values in trigonometry ratios, it goes from 0 until infinity. That means it goes even more than 1, but here he says less than 1. It is less than 1 until it is less than tan 45. From tan 0 to tan 45 is less than 1. After that tan 60 is root 3, which is more than 1, and then tan 90 is infinity, it's also more than 1. So the answer is false in the first question. Let's see question number 2. Question number 2 says secant A is 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. Now we will change the secant A in terms of cos A. So secant A reciprocal is cos A. So cos A will be equal to 5 by 12, and the answer will be this answer will lie between 0 to 1, and cos value also lies between 0 to 1, some, because it says some values, it doesn't say all the value. Some values of cos A lies between 0 to 1, therefore this answer is true. This is true. Let's see the next question. Cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A, and the answer is false. Why false? Cosecant of angle A is cosec A, and for cos is basically it's cosine of angle A. Therefore, this is false. Straightforward question. And the next question. Cot A is the product of cot and A. This will be definitely false. Why? Because these two are not separate terms. These two cannot be written like that. They are one single term, cot A. So it is the cotangent of angle A. Cot A is the cotangent of angle A, and it is not product of cot and A. A single trigonometry function. It's a single trigonometry function. So it is false. And the last part is sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle of theta. What is the answer? Because if you see, the value of sine lies from 0 to 1 and then 1 to minus 1. It does not go above 1. Never above 1. Above 1, never. Therefore, what is the answer for this? This is false. Correct? Hope you understood the answers for this particular question. This is question 11, which is the last question of chapter 8.1. Now we shall see the answers for the next exercise, which is 8.2, in the coming videos. So thank you so much for watching.